Namaste. I am Dr. Preeti Sharma, vascular endovascular surgeon at Renova Hospital. Today I would like to highlight upon what my role is in helping the ulcers to heal. Any ulcer which is not healing for the longer time, we need to know what is the cause why it is not healing. And for that, we have an excellent team of surgeons and physicians in Renova Group of Hospitals who can help us in understanding and do the right treatment. In this entire team, patient is the most important person because the entire treatment is patient centric. So the types of ulcer, it can be a diabetic patient having a diabetic foot ulcer, a patient who has an arterial problem, ischemic ulcer due to decreased blood flow to the leg, a venous ulcer which can be due to the increased pressure in the venous system causing the skin to ulcerate, can be due to varicose veins or due to deep vein thrombosis. India is the capital for diabetes in all over the world, which is a very unfortunate event, and that is the reason we have to be very careful because every second person is diabetic and is prone to have diabetic foot ulcers at some point of time. Diabetes patient, because of decreased sensation, they might just get some trivial injury. Compound factor is decreased blood supply and decreased immunity. This all is predisposing to form a diabetic foot ulcer. So what is our aim is when a patient comes with ulcer is we find out the cause, do the right treatment and give the patient a walking foot so that his quality of life is maintained. So how do we do that? One, we take care of the comorbid factors, like if his blood sugars are raised, we control them. We increase the blood supply if that is the reason for ulcer. We offload it, like if that area is taking lot of pressure which is causing the ulcer not to heal, we offload it. Give right type of wound dressings. We use VAC, we use nitrox, we use ozone. So we debride, either we cut it or use different ways of removing the dead tissue. Then we increase the blood supply either by doing an open surgery in which good blood supply is taken from one good artery to the other artery to increase the blood flow. So these are different ways in which I can increase the blood flow to the leg. Here you can see a bypass surgery which is done in which I have used the patient's vein as a bridge or as a conduit to give good blood supply to the leg. Here you can see we have used a metal, a stent to open up the blood vessels to increase blood supply to the artery. We also use some dressings like VAC which help the wounds to heal. So a patient who came to me with this foot, by the right treatment, we have given him a foot which is free of infection, and using a skin graft we have covered so that the patient is able to walk. So any patient with ulcer, we are happy to help. We have 24/7 wound care services in Renova Hospital. Thank you.